Is it a person, or is it something else? David asked himself this question when he saw her. She stood in the middle of the bridge. Her white dress was wet. She did not move. David's heart beat fast. David was a taxi driver. He was a small, quiet man of 40. He drove his car every night from 8 o'clock in the evening until 4 o'clock in the morning. He liked his job. But he did not like the old stone bridge over the river. The bridge was long, dark, and very old. Tonight, the weather was terrible. The rain was heavy and the wind was cold. But he did not like the old stone bridge over the river. The bridge was long, dark, and very old. Tonight, the weather was terrible. The rain was heavy and the wind was cold. David was tired. He wanted to go home. He looked at the clock. It was exactly midnight. One last drive, David thought. He turned his taxi onto the old stone bridge. Suddenly, he saw her. She was a young woman. She stood next to the stone wall of the bridge, looking down into the black water. Her long black hair was wet. Her white dress clung to her skin. David felt sorry for her. Was she in danger? Was she going to jump? David stopped the taxi near the woman. He opened the car window. "Hello," David called out. "Are you okay? It is raining very hard." "Do you need a ride?" The woman turned her head slowly. Her face was very white and beautiful, but her dark eyes looked sad and empty. She did not say anything. She walked to the taxi, opened the back door, and got in. She sat very still in the back seat. David closed his window. He looked at the woman in his rear-view mirror. She stared straight ahead. "Where are you going?" David asked. The woman spoke for the first time. Her voice was very low, like a soft whisper. "To the White House near the cemetery," she said. The journey was very quiet. David tried to talk to his passenger, but the woman stayed silent. The air in the taxi became very cold. David felt a sudden chill. He turned up the heater, but the cold did not go away. The trees along the street rushed past like dark ghosts. Finally, they reached the edge of the city. David saw the high black gates of the cemetery. Next to the gates stood a beautiful white house. David stopped the taxi. "We are here," he said. He turned around in his seat. The back seat was empty. David stared. The woman was not there. The back door was closed, but the seat was wet. There was a small pool of rain water. David jumped out of the taxi. He ran to the White House and knocked loudly on the door. His hands were shaking. An old woman with gray hair opened the door. David told her everything. The old woman sighed a long, terrible sigh. "This is my daughter, Sarah," the old woman said. David looked at the photograph on the wall. His face turned white. It was the same woman. 20 years ago, she fell from the bridge and died. Every year on this night, she tries to come home. From that night on, David never drove across the old stone bridge after midnight. But whenever it rained heavily, he always remembered the cold whisper of the girl in the white dress.